I've been going nowhere, just passing time, trying not to feel my pain. I've let distractions numb my mind to get through another day. When the sun and the quiet sets in, the voices get loud in my head, and I could just let them all in. No, I can't yet, no, I can't yet. I hear you through the night, through the night. Say you're holding me tight, so I won't give up the fight. I feel you through the night, through the night. Keeping my heart alive, so I won't give up. You're the only constant when my whole world shakes and the mess is out of control. You're lighting up my next step. I'll walk straight into the dark.